If you want your body repair to be the envy of your buddies, their wives, or all the people in the neighborhood, you too can work like a pro. 3M Automotive Performance Masking Tapes have been trusted by pros and body shops for over 25 years. It has instant adhesion, so it stays right where you put it. This stuff is amazing. 3M's premium tape is highly flexible, hugging tight curves, resulting in beautiful paint lines. This technology is designed to make sure you don't have any nasty residue left behind when you pull the tape off. Now let's show you some key tips I have for delivering a great paint job with 3M Automotive Performance Masking Tapes. The first critical step is to clean the area you want to mask. Second, pull the tape off the roll to the desired length. Apply tape around the area you want to mask and be sure to press firmly so that you get proper adhesion. Now you're ready to paint. Finally, for the fun part, after your paint is cured, pull the tape off, step back, and take pride in your sharp paint lines. And that is how you can work like a pro with 3M Automotive Performance Masking Tapes.